Oh, my balls! I just got a bump in it. Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to Big Bend National Park. Let's go for a ride. Let's get it. So this Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive, it's about 40 minutes, leads to a nice Ross Maxwell hike apparently. Listen to that. Look at this view, hold on. Oh my god. It's freaking epic. It's so crazy. Oh my god. I'm having a man crisis right now. I'm having a man crisis in my pantaloons right now. This is only my first national park. Alright, I'm doing the southern states since it's winter time right now. But man, this is a great start. Freaking Big Bend, Texas, I love you. I feel like this park gets overlooked. Look at this. Nobody's here. It's like freaking you get the whole place to yourself. You got this scenic drive. You got my Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. You got no traffic, rolling hills. Life is good. It's a Tuesday. Come on now. Freaking Tuesday. It's the best Tuesday I've ever had in my life. Oh, yep. Yes, yes, sir. I love turning the corner, and there's just beautiful mountains right around it. God, that's nice. Where we're going, we don't need roads. I like it. Giving. It's giving. It's giving all the vibes right now. I have a wedgie. Hold on. Get that out. You don't want that. We don't want that. Dude, fucking in love right now. Sorry for cursing. This is what I've been waiting for my whole life. Let's go! Oh, wait. A little chicane. Look at this little snake coming up here. Oh, I like this. Wait, I got a rider up there. My boy's coming up here. The guy's on the Can-Am. No, it's the trike. We're going to see each other on the curve like it's meant to be. Woohoo! Let's go! Konnichiwa! That dude's got his wife on the trike. My boy's riding behind her. That's a power couple play there. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what's around this bend. Hold up, we got some benders coming up here. Look at that view. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, wait, look around the corner. Oh, damn, what the hell? It's awesome. 30. There's some sharp turns coming up. Oh yeah, look at that there. Engine braking is good on this Z900. You never got to touch the real brakes. Whoa. Oh, get that knee out a little bit here. I know we're doing this right now. Get that knee out a little bit there. Alright. Okay, hold up. We're getting in it now. Let's have to get involved here. I'm gonna start talking like a little girl in a minute. When the voice starts getting higher and higher, it means the joy is uncontrollable. Whoa, what's this? Oh, baby. Falling rocks, that's not what we need. We don't need those. Look at this view. Oh, yeah. Dude, that's freaking crazy. Oh, what's this one? 25. We got hairpins coming up here. Dude, second gear turns. Whoa, we got some sharp ones up here. Whoa, baby. Whoa. Every turn is something more beautifuler than the last. Beautifuler. That's awesome. Whoa, look at that There's like fangs up there. What the hell? You seen this? Max Roswell, thank you. See, I like a nice view and all. But I don't feel the need to climb up any of these giant peaks. Though it would be cool to get the view. I don't know. To each their own. I might go on a little... There's supposed to be a good trail at the end here. So I'll do that one probably. But these other ones, we'll leave them for another day. Rough road indeed. A little dusty. Ooh, a little dusty though. A little dusty roads here. Ah, bumps. Starting to give. Skiving. Skiving. The giving tree. It's the giving tree. Is this Monument Valley? Where am I? This is freaking awesome. How do I get on top of that? Where is the elevator? I ain't climbing, I'll take the elevator. Got some maneuvers coming up here. What's the deal? Got some roads here. Woohoo! Got a road and a half over here. Freaking crazy. It's like I'm on a different planet right now. Look at this. The gateway to like a freaking giant colossal planet. I don't even know what I'm saying. Where does the road go? Ah! What is that? That's awesome. The rocks are starting to get all different colors. We're in the flatlands now. Let's see. We made it over and under the hill there. Now we are, well, how far are we? 8 miles from the Santa Elena something hike. Now let's see what that's all about. If it's like 20 miles, I ain't doing it. If it's 1 mile, I'll consider it. It's also freaking like 100 degrees right now, and it's February. It's blowing my mind. I was gonna say something else, but mind is the proper word too. Whoa! Look at the view up here. Road may flood. Not likely today, my friends. Not today. Flood gauge. We're at 0, thank God. My range keeps going up. Maybe my computer is confused. It's hot. It's not thinking properly. It's staying over 200 for like the last hour, which I really would be happy if it was. Whoa! Hold up, check out this mountain up here. Look at this. This mountain has been parted like the Red Sea. How does that make sense? Wait, what? What is happening? You seeing this? Hold up. Hold up. It's parting the Red Sea, these mountains. Freaking crazy looking. What? Oh, we got the squiggler. We got the squiddler sign. Let's see. Shift down a gear. Feel the power. Stick the knee out. Engage. Drift. Engaging. I'm engaging. We're climbing. I'm engaging. I like it. Whoa, what's going on over here? Let's see. What's up here? It's not the view, not the view. I want a better one. Dude, this road's epic. Whoa, hold on, the bender. Good job with the brakes. Where's the sign on that one, motherfucker? Trying to catch me off guard. Good brakes. Whoa, look at that. Dude, it's a good road. A little twisty road we got here. Ride that line. Call me the line rider. Get the knee out. Engage it. I'm engaging. I'm engaging. I'm engaging. Let's go. squiggle sign. See what that means. Use the line. Use it all. Use it all. Wait, we're heading towards Toothpick Canyon. Oh yeah. Look at that. We're going in it. We're going in it. Close to the suck zone here. Get that knee out. Hit it. Oh, hit the bush. Oh, my balls. I just got a bump in it. What's this called? What does it say? Dorgan Sublet? Who the hell's that? I ain't going that way. Freaking no Dorgans. No Dorgans. Ow, bumpity dumpity. Close. Santa Elena River access. Santa Elena Canyon Trail. That's where we're going. I ain't going in the river. No, sir. Keeping these legs dry. We're going for it. Santa Elena. We're really close to the Mexican border, actually. I did see some checkpoints before the park. For bandidos. Wowzer. What does it say? Caution, soft shoulders, stay on pavement. What the hell that mean? Ow! That is soft. Oh, we got some chicanes coming up here. What'd that say? 15? How fucking sharp is this thing? Where are we going here? Wait, which way am I going? I don't know. Dude. Check out the view here. I think it's sick. Let's go explore.